from the outside. Good morning. Maga-maga dito from the outside. You can get inside and see the pathway, see the changes of the pathway. See the changes. And I will close the door. Look. Minsan na bagong gising ako eh. Look, the building, like you said, this is the dirty kitchen, like what you wish. Back to front, this is the back, but we can getting in because it's too many garbage here and no one can enter to this place. And let's go to the front. This is the terrace, and look at the tiles and the belt. Since nagmamadali ako kasi mas parte namin ngayon eh. Kaya kailangan ko magmadali. This is the front, as you can see. And this is the other side. We can get in, so come on, let's get in. Getting in. See? Look at the back. Okay. Ito yung kanina. And see again. Let's get inside. But before we proceed, you said top from the bottom. So this is your ceiling. You see? You see the hole? Like it? So nice, so beautiful. Again, let's see the pathway, the changes of the pathway. Whoops. Okay. G, pawalis nga nito. Tsaka yan. It's the ceiling. And the floor. Medyo makalat pa, hindi pa nakapagdinisin ay kasi babagong gising. The floor. And let's get inside. Inside. There's the floor and also the ceiling. Can we open the lights? Okay. Ceiling. You take a look. Ceiling and the floor. Mother is already woke up, but she's not ready to clean it up. Let's proceed to the comfort room. The sight from here is this. You see? Ceiling. From ceiling to bottom. To sahig, hindi ko alam ba sahig. Floor, yun. Yan. And 2 rooms. Tulog pa si Kuya Beng eh. see the comfort room. Ceiling of the comfort room, the exhaust fan. See? Exhaust. And CR. And see? The beautiful CR. Okay? From here, the side is this. See? Okay? And my brother Manny is also wake up too. Okay? That is for today, and I will get yeah.